So rational numbers. So natural numbers and whole numbers and integers we discuss first. Yeah. Suppose if I take closure property, it is for rational numbers also applicable, whole numbers for integers as well. That is also same for rational numbers according to their properties. Okay. Suppose closure property is nothing but we need to discuss this closure property for this n, w, z and rational numbers as well. We have four basic operations, right? Plus, minus, into and division. So the thing is, we have to check these properties for these number systems and for these operations. Okay, right? Suppose if I take natural number set, for example, so natural number starts from 1, 2, 3, so on, right? What is the closure property? Closure property. If a comma b are two natural numbers, a comma b are two natural numbers, then a plus b is also a natural number. Okay, if a comma b are two natural numbers, then a plus b is also a natural number. Suppose take a is equals to 1 or b is equals to 2. B is equals to 2, right? Then what is a plus b? 1 plus 2, which is nothing but 3, right? So here you have taken natural number a and b as a natural number. Okay. Anirudh, sit properly. And a plus b, 1 plus 2 is equals to 3, right? Isn't it? So this 3 is also a natural number. If you take two natural numbers and add them, again you will get natural number. Okay. So what it means? Is it happens for every number? Yes, it happens. So if you take any two natural numbers from that set or into natural numbers, the addition will gives you again a natural number. If it is happened for every natural number, then we can say natural numbers satisfies closure property under operation addition, right? Natural number satisfies closure property under operation addition. Okay, did you get that? Yes, did you get that, Nana? I will repeat once again. I'll take one more example. Suppose take a is equals to 5. A is equals to 5 you take, and b is equals to 7 you take. Add them, a plus b, nothing but 5 plus 7, you will get 12. 12 is a natural number, right? A is a natural number, b is a natural number, a plus b is also a natural number. It means 5 is a natural number, 7 is a natural number, 5 plus 7, 12 is also a natural number. Okay, right? Is it clear? So this thing happened for every natural number, then we can say natural number satisfies the closure property under operation addition. The same, suppose let me check this for subtraction. I told you in the beginning of this class, what I told you, we have to check for number properties as well addition operations, right? Suppose take a number 5 and b is 2, a is equals to 5, b is equals to 2. Subtraction you do, a minus b you take, what it becomes 5 minus 2, 3. Okay, you have taken a natural number a and a natural number b and you perform their subtraction, what you got 3. So in this case, okay, the condition is satisfied. But coming to see here, if you take a is equals to 7, b is equals to 9. So a minus b is equals to what is that? 7 minus 9. What is the answer? Minus 2, right? So this minus 2 is not a natural number, right? Minus 2 is not a natural number. Did you get that? All of you start your videos. Yeah. Any doubts, Anna, regarding this? Right. Okay. Wait. Okay. Next, see. Same. Ahalya.
సార్ మీరు అక్కడ అప్పుడు మీరు సబ్స్ట్రాక్షన్ తీసుకున్నప్పుడు 5 - 2 వేసారు కదా సార్, మరి అక్కడ ఆన్సర్ 3 వచ్చినప్పుడు -3 అని ఎందుకు రాయలేదు సార్?
Do you know the addition of integers and addition of subtraction of integers?
Sir, I missed previous classes.
Then how? Generally, if you have both place, you can take addition only. Both minus, you can take addition, but sign is negative. If you have one is plus, one is minus, you have to subtract. You have to subtract, but sign you take a greater one sign. Sign is greater ones. Okay, same thing. If you have minus and plus, then also you have to subtract that, and but the sign is greater ones you have to take. Okay, Mudabir, sit properly. Yeah, okay. On the basis of this, it happens. I think you have to learn that in 5th and 6th classes. Okay, anyway, once I told you to practice basics once again. Yeah, did you get that, Nana? So in this case, what is that? Yeah. So here, this subtraction is failed to satisfy the closure property, right? Then what we can write? Therefore, so we have to, I mean, in the every number of natural numbers should satisfy this condition in that particular operation, Nana. But here, this condition here in this case it is failed to satisfy, right? Okay, it is failed here. So therefore, natural numbers failed to satisfy closure property under operation subtraction, right? But in addition they satisfied, isn't it? In subtraction failed, right? Isn't it? You do observe here, in addition natural number satisfies that condition, but in subtraction it is failed, right? Remember that. Yeah, see, next, one more thing. Coming to multiplication. Multiplication. See, same. If a comma b are natural numbers, a plus b is also a natural number. Sorry, into, right? Very sorry. A into b is also natural number. Then we can say natural numbers holds closure property. Krishna, see what you're doing under operation. Under operation multiplication, right? Okay, clear? Suppose if you take see, if you take a is equals to 1, b is equals to 2, then a into b, 1 into 2 is equals to 2. Okay, if a is equals to 3, b is equals to 4, a into b is equals to 3 into 4, 12. If you do like that, okay, if you continue like that, you will get for any natural number, you will get again natural number only, right? The product becomes again natural number, isn't it? Yes. So then what we can say? Therefore, natural numbers satisfies closure property under operation multiplication. Okay, did you get that? Okay, right? Clear? Any doubts? No. Anybody is having the doubt? Sriram, who is this Sriram? Unmute Sriram. Unmute. Unmute, I told. Sriram. Sriram, I'm asking to you only. Unmute, click on your screen. Right, next. Right, see. Next. Right, next. See, next, for division, operation division, right? Take two natural numbers. Nana Shailendra, is this Sriram your classmate? Sidikshit? Unmute Siddik.
Yes, sir.
MRMS?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
He's from MRMS?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay, I will let you know about him. Dear Monday teacher, please call to Sriram parents and talk to them. right? So if you take A is equals to 2 or B is equals to 4, then A by B, what becomes A by B? Division is nothing but A by B, right? A by B, 2 by 4, 2 ones are 2 twos are, that becomes 1 by 2, right? Is it 1 by 2 is a natural number? Yes, no, no. Is it natural number? Is it natural number? Right. Next, suppose you take A is equals to 4, B is equals to 2, then A by B, 4 by 2, 4 ones are 4 twos are, 2 is the answer. So 2 is a natural number, right? 2 is a natural number, right? Isn't it? Right? Yeah. But it has to satisfy for every number, right? If you take any natural number, the condition should be satisfied. But here this one, in this case it is failed, right? To get again a natural number, right? Okay, then what we can write? What we can say? Natural numbers failed to satisfy closure property under operation division, right? Did you get that? Did you get that, Nana? Yes. Yes. Any doubts? Yeah. If you have a doubt, you can raise a hand and ask me, Nana. I'll try to give the clarification. Start your videos, all of you. Start your videos, all of you. Yes, start your videos, all of you. Yes, now anybody having a doubt? Nobody, right? Yeah. Question banks.
Physics,
No, next class physics 11:40. You have physics class for MRMS children.
కాదు సార్ సార్ మీరు చెప్పినవి బేసిక్స్ అంటున్నా.
Nana, ఈరోజు చెప్పిన క్లాసా?
Yes sir.
It's not basics now. This is content only. Actually,
సార్
there
అవి
has-
నోట్బుక్
Nana,
నోట్బుక్ లో
yes, you
notebook lo rayali.
have to write in your notes, Nana. All these things in
Okay,
your
sir.
textbook, but directly started rational numbers, but I have given some concept for that. Okay, I don't know whether you are attended classes in 7th class or not. I don't know, so that I have given this. Okay, I'm giving you the homework on the basis of this. Sai Tej, unmute.
సార్ స్క్రీన్ షాట్స్ ఒకసారి ఫస్ట్ నుంచి చూపియండి సార్.
అయిను అది ఈ క్వశ్చన్ రోజు అడగద్దు నాన్న, స్క్రీన్ షాట్ చూపించండి అని మళ్ళీ అడగద్దు రోజు. పర్టికులర్ డౌట్ అంటే అడగండి. ఓకేనా?
ఓకే సార్.
ఓకేనా? నేను ఖచ్చితంగా చూపిస్తాను అది. రైట్. వైష్ణవి, సోఫియా అన్మ్యూట్. వైష్ణవి, వాట్స్ యువర్ డౌట్ నాన్న? Vaishnavi, yeah, can you hear me?